Hello friends, today we will be discuss about the whole number. Okay, this whole number is present in standard 6th and chapter 2 it is there. Okay, so for this children you have to be understood this whole number system very careful manner so that the every problem whatever you will do it will be done by you very easily. So what is a number first? First you have to discuss that what is a number. Number is a what? It is the identification of a thing. That is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the digit which is showing the number of things, number of places, number of items like this manner. In this order, we have some number systems are there. What are they? The numbers are divided into various categories. What are they? First of all, we know that what? Natural number. Okay. Then even number. Odd number. Okay. Then even odd and last whole number. Okay. So basically we will discuss regarding this four. Okay now. What is a natural number? The number system which starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Then I will say that number system is called as what? Natural number system. Okay, now come to the even number. What do you mean by even numbers? The even number is what? Those natural numbers which are divided with 2. Those natural numbers which are divided by 2, they are called as even number. Example 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. 2 is divided with 2. Yes or no? 1 will come. 4 is divided by 2. 2 is coming. 6 is divided by 2. 3 is coming. Means some number is coming. Okay? Then I will say that numbers are called as even numbers. Okay? Suppose the number is what? 108. This is divided with the 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Okay na? Okay, so the numbers or the natural numbers which is divided with 2, they are called as even number. Okay, understood? Now friends, come to the next one, third one. Okay, what is the third one? The third one is odd number. Those natural numbers which are not divided with 2, they are called as odd numbers. Who are they? Let our examples. 3, 5, okay, 7, 9, 11, then 13, like this manner it is. Okay na? Okay na? These are not divided with the 2. If I divide it can't divide it because some decimal point it will coming, so it is not divided. 5 into table 5 is there. No, it is not. 4 is there, but 5 is not there. So those numbers, those natural numbers which are not divided with 2, they are called as odd number. Understood? Now, in this natural number, another is also there, prime number. Here prime number is also there. Then after that I will come to the whole number. Okay? Prime numbers are those numbers which can divided itself only. Itself means it is not divided with 2 or any numbers. Okay na? Suppose I will say, take the example of what? 5. 5 is divided in number. Okay? Then come to the which one? 1. Then 11, 13. Okay? Then next, just tell me which one will come? What? 17, 19. These numbers are divided himself only or by 1. Okay? So those numbers are called as prime numbers. Now friends, understood what is a natural number, what is a even number, what is a odd number, and what is a prime number. Okay, now come to the our topic, that is what? Whole number. What is a whole number? I am erasing everything. Okay, what is a whole number? What is a whole number? Natural numbers followed with 0, means it starts with 0, then with natural numbers, then we are called that all are called whole number. Means natural number start with 1, 2, 3, 4, but if it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, then I will call that this is a whole number. So friends, remember all those things so that what it will be helpful for you in the next class, in the standard 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, like this manner. Okay, it will helpful for your lifetime. Okay, so remember these things. Okay, now come to the what is whole number, you are understood. Now a term is saying that what, the term is saying that what is successor and what is predecessor. We have already studied in standard 5, but we have to recall this one. What is that? The successor and predecessor. What is a successor and what is a predecessor? Successor is what? The number added with 1, means any number you can take it. 4 added with 1 means the next number is called as the successor of 4. Okay, the successor of 4 is which one? 5. You can take any example, 100. What is the rule? If it is a successor, find the successor of 100 means what? You have to be add here 1. So what is the result? 101 is the successor of 100. Okay. Now, what is a predecessor? Predecessor is what? Before number. If I subtract 1 from that number, then the result number is called as predecessor. Means what? Take it 6. What is the rule? Subtract my 1 from that number. Then how much is coming? 5 is coming. So I will say that the predecessor of 6 is 5. Again I am saying you, the predecessor of 6 is 5. Okay? Here 5 is there, confusion is there. Let's go for the 20. So what is the predecessor of the 20? The predecessor of 20 is what? 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. Understood? Okay? So the clarity of successor and predecessor is understood by you? Okay. Then we will go further. Okay now? What is the next one is there? How the whole numbers are showing in the number line. Okay now? We know that the whole number starts from the 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now how it will shows in the number line in case of addition, subtraction, division, like this one. Okay, only one. Okay, now come to the number line. This is a number line. Okay, take a scale and draw a straight line and divide it with what? The line with any numbers. Okay, any numbers. Okay, suppose here 0, 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this manner it is there. Okay, so what we will do? I will say that first we, in the case of plus we will take, then after that we will go for the minus. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will say that what is 1 plus 3? Okay, what is 1 plus 3? So this result in number line. We know that 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. So 1 plus 3. Where is 1? Here. But our starting point is from 0. 1. Okay. Plus 3. It will go further. 3 times. Jumping. 1 jump. 2 jump. 3 jump. So our answer is 4. Understood? Now, this is the case of addition. In the case of subtraction, what it will be? I am just changing it. Okay? Can you tell me again another example? Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you just tell me 4 minus 2 in the number line. You can show me this one and in number line. Okay. What is the result? 4 means first the starting point is from the 0. Where is 4? Jump here. Okay. 4 minus means we have take out 2 from it. So 2 jumps, 1 jumps, 2 jumps. What is the result? 2 is coming. This is the case of the subtraction in the number line. Understood? Now, only addition and subtraction we can show in the number line. Remember this one. Multiplication and division, it is not possible in the number line. Understood? Now come to the next one. What is that? Property of whole number. What are the various property? Property of whole number. What are the various property of the whole number is there? Okay. First property is called as closure property. I will tell one by one. Okay. Then commutative property. Commutative property. Then third one is what? Associative property. And the last one is distributive property. Okay, these are the four property which followed by the whole numbers. Okay, what are the property? We will be decide one by one. Okay, what is a closure property? Closure property is what? If I take two whole numbers, if I will take two whole numbers, then the result is also a whole number. Yes or no? 2 plus 3, 2 is whole number, 3 is whole number, result is coming 5. Next, take an example. 6 plus 3. Both of them are added. How much will come in? 9 is a whole number. This is the case of addition. What is the case of subtraction? Just go for it. 5 minus 2. The answer is 3. 3 is a whole number. Again, 5 and 2 are also a whole number. In case of multiplication, 20 into 2, how much? 20 is a whole number, 2 is a whole number, how much it is? 40. Understood? Now, in case of division, 10 divided by 5, how much it is? 5 2s are 10. So 10 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number, and 2 is also a whole number. Understood? This is the closure property. Understood? Now come to the commutative property. What is commutative property? One by one. Okay. What is commutative property? I will be taking the example in the above side. Okay. Now commutative property is nothing but if I add two whole numbers and I reverse it so that the result is also same. What? 2 plus 3 how much? 5. 3 plus 2 is how much? It is also 5. This is the result only. Any number you can take. 10 plus 5. How much? 5 plus 10 उल्टा कर दीजिए इसको. Reverse it. Okay. 15. 15. Understood? Okay. Now this is the short form of commutative property. Okay now. Next. This is the case of addition. In case of subtraction, what it will be? In case of subtraction, it will not come. In case of division, it will not come. Only for the addition and multiplication, it will come. Okay. So in case of multiplication, 20 into 3 is equal to 3 into 20. How much it will come in? 60. Answer is also 60. So whole numbers in case of addition and multiplication follow the commutative property. Understood? Okay. Clearly listen it, my children, because it is very, very important for you. Okay. Now come to the associative property. In associative property, we will arrange the numbers, whole numbers. Okay. We have to take three whole numbers. Okay. What are they? Take it easily. 2 plus 5 plus 7. Okay. Again I am writing the same number. 2 plus 5 plus 7. How you will be add? like this manner. First, second, here, first will leave, second and third. Okay. 2 plus 5 how much? According to the Bordwas rule, 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Here also 2 will be as it is. 7 plus 5 how much? 12. It is also 14. So both the results are coming correct. So this is called as what? Associative property. What is that? Associative property. Okay, remember this one. It is very, very important for you. Okay, to solve various problems in your textbook or any kind of problem. Okay. Now next one is what? 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. These two are in bracket. Again 3 plus 2 plus 1. These two are in bracket. Okay. So first add these two. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Understood? This is called as associative property. In the case of associative property, same it is. In case of addition and multiplication, it is possible. In case of subtraction and division, it is not possible. So in case of multiplication, take it 3 into 2, okay, into 1. Again 3 into 2 into 1. These two, first two in bracket in first case, then second two in the second case. Okay. 3 2s are 6 into 1. Here 3 into 2, 6. Here is also 6. So associative properties also follow the what? Positive and multiplication values. Okay, of the whole number. Okay. Now come to the distributive property. It is very, very important for you. Very, very important. I will show you with the examples. Okay. In case of distributive property, what it will be? Now check it here, children. Distributive property is nothing but remember this one. 2 into 5 plus 7 is equal to 2 into this 2 will multiply this, then plus will come here, this 2 is multiplied with 7, 2 into 7, like this manner it is. Okay. Okay. So take the LHS and RHS. I will make it briefly for you, briefly for distributive property. Okay, na? I will be making a brief property. Distributive property. Okay. So what I am saying you, 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 into 3 bracket plus 2 into 5. Like this manner, if I will be distributed it, then the value of this one is equal to this one. How these two are came? First 2 will be multiplied with 3. Then addition will come. Then again 2 will multiply with 5. Understood? 2 will multiply with 3. Then plus sign will come. Again 2 will multiply and come with 5. Okay. Let's check it. 2 into according to Bordwas rule, you have to be solve the bracket one. 3 plus 5, 8. 2 8 is 16. Answer is coming correctly or not? Just check it. Here bracket 2 3 is 6. Okay. Then plus is there, plus 2 5 is 10. How much it is coming? 16. So understood what is the distributive property? Okay. So one by one I will tell you how to do it. This distributive property, how it will follow, I will tell you with one example. Okay. Take a simple example. What is that? See, 20 into 30. Simplest example. How you will multiply with these two? By using distributive property. See how it will be. 20 into bracket start. 30 means what? Nearest 10 digit is which one? That is 10 plus 3. Okay? 10 plus 3, like this manner. So again, 20 will be multiplied with 10 and 20 will next multiply with 3. How? 20 into 10 plus 20 into 3. much? 200 plus 60. Total is 260. Like this manner you have to be use the distributive property. Understood? Okay friends? Understood now? So these are the various property of the what? Whole number. Okay? So children, if you have any doubts, you just ask me, and if you have liked the video, then share my video and like it. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.